for those that been watching, I am back at the quad on a January 12th, 2026, 4th year running. I've been trying to crank the quad. I polished the wheels. I did a little thing. Hey, what's going on, family?
How you been? Good?
Yes, sir. I've been all right, man. You know,
I'm trying to find me a spot, man. That's
you
what I'm looking for.
you know things is hard right now, man.
Bruh.
But I'm trying to maintain.
That's it.
How about yourself?
That's it. The same word. I'm maintaining.
Yeah.
I'm maintaining, man. You know, it's rough, but you know, you got to keep your foot on the ground and keep pounding.
Yeah. What kind of spot you looking for?
Just a
Is
little,
that like a one joint?
yeah.
Okay.
One, John. Yeah.
The spot down here was Justin Commons. Check that.
I did, but I want to get out of Williamstown.
All right.
Out of Williamstown.
Say no more.
I looked over in Elkton, Maryland.
Dang it.
Pretty cheap. It's not that far. But I used to live in Middletown. I
Okay.
used to live in Bear, so
Yeah.
it's not that far, and it's a decent area. It's right over the border of Delaware. You right there. It's like on Route 40.
Yeah.
You go right there. It's a decent area.
Yeah, my dad live in Bear.
Oh, he does?
Yup.
Yeah, I lived there for I'd say about 12 years.
It's a nice area.
Yeah.
Really
I
nice.
had a house with a girl over there.
Really nice area.
Yeah, it really is.
Mhm.
And we said, gotta sold it. We both went our separate ways.
Right.
Like, Saranada, you know what I mean?
Hey, new life,
Yeah,
new
yes, sir.
new beginning,
Yes, sir.
and make it right. Make
Oh,
it
you
make
know
it happen
you
right.
know
This,
it, yeah.
yeah, I'm in the same boat, man. I don't know if I'm gonna stay in this situation and make it good,
Right.
or
I just want to change.
just roll out. Yeah.
I really want to change. And my thing is, I'm retired. Retired from the Juvenile Justice Commission.
Okay.
I did 26 years with it.
Okay.
Retired from the military. So I got a little decent pay.
Same story as my uncles, my brother. You know.
And I've been fighting them because I was tank commander, E6. I did 8 of my years I was E6, and
No
they
vet.
don't want to help, man.
Yeah. Same.
It's ridiculous. And over here in Jersey,
Same story.
somebody told me to go to Philly, you'll get some help.
Yeah.
Go to Pennsylvania. I said, but why should I have to go to Pennsylvania? And I've been doing everything in New Jersey. What? I said, that doesn't make sense. So I went for the hearing test. They gave me 10%.
Smart man, that gentleman. Oh, had the battery on that whole time. It's not getting gas. Strong stuff. good. Stop recording. Yfz450 450 cold start on a snowy day. You know, a little bit of snow on the ground. Perfect for a little bit of fun. Mid-January, Sunday afternoon, more like evening. It's only 5 o'clock, but Sunday afternoon, and we're gonna just have a little bit of fun right now. I got the other 360 camera right there. I'm in it right now. We're gonna switch to that. You can hear me over the bike. Check that out. This thing got compression like you never would think. Cold, choke is all the way open right now. Stand right there, get some heat. Those fingers are freezing. Those that know this pipe will blow red. Probably about up to here, right there. But that's normal.
As I swim up the Nile River, shawty so wet.